Hola amigos, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están? Bienvenidos a Reacciones Musicales. Nuevamente un placer saludarles. Mi amigo Quinton viene a reaccionar en esta ocasión a Seru Giran con una de las grandes canciones del álbum La Grasa de las Capitales que se llama Noche de Perros. Un tema que yo sé le va a volver loco porque a mí me impresionó bastante. Recordándoles que cuando lleguemos a 20,000 suscriptores, este canal va a rifar $300 que se lo va a llevar una sola de esas personas. So, Quentin, we got in this opportunity one of the biggest talents of the Argentinian rock music. This
Yes,
guy is called a genius.
that I've never heard of him. It's
Um,
grande talk there.
I was since he was kid, he was into music. By the age of seven or eight, he was already teaching piano lessons. Can you believe what is to teach an adult piano lessons being a little kid?
7 or 8. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So Charlie Garcia is a guy of great talent, but the band that he created, Seru Giran, every single one of the members of the band is great.
So he founded the band and then found all the guys.
Yeah. And the one thing that is interesting about Argentina is you're gonna see this band here, but like back in the days, 2 years later they will move around, and then I don't know, the bass player will create a band, the guitar player will create another band, and then Charlie Garcia will go and create another band, and that's how they do, and that's why they become really good because they practice with one band, and then they can start another one. They just keep practicing and making
Yeah.
the
See,
music moving
see.
incredible. Entonces le explicaba más o menos un poquitico a Quinton la forma en que trabaja el rock argentino, como ellos pues de repente están aquí en Seru Girán y tiempo después ellos van y crean otra banda por aquí, una banda por allá y siguen llenándose de talento con toda la experimentación y todo lo que van aprendiendo en el camino. Ready for Seru Girán?
Yes.
Let's go. Esta se llama Noche de Perros. A ver qué piensa mi amigo Quinton de Mr. Charlie García. Y esta de La Grasa de las Capitales. La canción que viene en La Grasa de las Capitales, el álbum, de cualquier manera. Y estoy sin volumen. Vamos a comenzar desde el principio. So this is Charlie here.
Yeah. I like his hair.
His mustache half is white and half is black. Half is black.
Oh yeah. He's like a Oreo.
Okay, so let's listen to this guy. He starts with a little kind of Pink Floyd right here.
Yeah. This is very psychedelic. Yeah.
Esta oscuridad, esta noche de perros, esta soledad que pronto te va a matar. Vas perdido entre las calles que solías andar. Vas herido como un pájaro en el mar.
This is a pretty dark song because the meaning of the lyrics of the album is talking about a guy that has nothing else in life
That
to live
is
for.
very like because I don't know Spanish, so I'm trying to like think of like what the vibe is, and it almost sounds like a beautiful song.
Yeah.
When you don't know what they're saying.
Yeah, but actually he's describing a guy that is down, totally down.
I thought the opposite.
Ya, so, estaba explicándole ya a Quinton que la letra de la canción pues habla de una persona que está ya muy abajo, muy deprimido, qué sé yo, de repente pues con ganas ya de perder la vida. Más o menos esta canción es bien oscura, es bien triste en ese sentido. Mientras que él imaginó que él tenía una letra muy preciosa porque como él no sabe inglés, español, entonces uno más o menos se va a imaginar lo que va diciendo la letra, pero para eso yo estoy aquí para explicarle. Let's go back to Noche de Perros.
Puede ser que estés muy, muy lejos de donde estás, justo en el lugar que nació tu corazón. Ya te veo entre los autos pidiendo perdón. Mi mirada tiene todo tu dolor. Oh, hombre. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na,
This is a really very like genre style is very progressive.
Yeah.
You know, it has a little bit of Pink Floyd, it has a little bit of Yes. I don't know if you ever listen to Yes.
Of yes.
Yes. Yes.
Um,
You probably you're
I'm trying to think of like who they remind me of.
Uh-huh.
A lot of Pink Floyd, a lot of that like psychedelic rock of the 70s, 80s. I mean, and they were in the late 80s.
yeah,
early
but
se-
wait, this is very early 70s.
yeah.
Now with Charlie Garcia, we really go back in time. The Charlie Garcia next to these guys, they're part of the first Argentinian rockers. They are almost to blame for the born of the rock in Argentina.
Oh, okay.
So
So is this their early stuff or like,
very early
very
stuff.
early in
Yes.
the career?
73, 77, something like that.
Yeah.
It's hard to remember because they had like so many albums.
Oh.
Now I think it's gonna change a bit. To me, on this, they sung a lot of like, I don't know if you remember The Wall by Pink Floyd, the album.
Oh yeah.
They
yeah.
have a lot of the Wall on this on the music on this album.
Well, whatever like they're putting that guitar through, the bubble distortion, I guess you could call it,
Uh-huh.
is very Pink Floyd-y.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
it makes you like kind of get sucked in.
Cuando el cielo cae, a veces pienso en tu risa.
Yeah, so we say it's like Pink Floyd, but then it's nothing like Pink Floyd.
Yeah,
Totally different.
yeah, definitely is nothing. They,
Just a few little things,
Yeah.
maybe.
No estás solo si es que sabes que muy solo estás. No estás ciego si no ves donde no hay nada. No, 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 no. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na.
to me, I don't know. Did you listen to new music? Like, yeah.
See, yeah.
So I don't know if because I just got stuck with my classic rock and roll and things like that. But I don't know any. I mean, like new bands, modern bands that you think can play like that or can do this kind of style, or that's one thing that is from or my old days.
For this genre, I can't really think of a new band that's
Yeah.
like a psychedelic rock.
Yeah, my thing is I don't know if psychedelic rock is something that people still makes or don't make anymore because I don't listen to.
I'm sure we could look them up and find some, but off the top of my head, I couldn't think of any.
Lo que hablaba con Quinton es que en estos días ya no hay bandas que toquen música de ese tipo, psicodélica, progresiva, él me dice, deberíamos buscar minuciosamente, a ver, porque realmente bandas nuevas no tocan esta clase de música.
Yeah, very good. Muy bien.
This is already one of the greatest bands. This is one of the slowest song they have. Very progressive, very dark.
Yeah.
It's a very very sad song. I mean, if you think about
It's funny that you say that. It did sound. It had notes of being sad, but I thought it was great. I loved it.
yeah, I mean, yeah, like the song. I mean, yeah, talk about a guy that is down in misery, down
Right.
in life,
Depressed. Yeah.
so
I see.
very very depressed. That's why I say it's a dark song, and the fact that it's very progressive, it makes
Yeah.
it a little darker at the same time.
I usually don't listen to Spanish songs that are that tell a story. And most of this, like this song, emphasizes the story it's telling, which is great when you can understand the story. But I usually listen to the instruments, and I was really happy that they had 2-3 minutes of just straight instruments.
Yeah.
That was great.
Lo que hablaba Quinton es que, bueno, de las letras él no puede hablar mucho, pero que sí, los instrumentos dice que están muy bien tocados. No le parece que la canción es tan oscura como pues realmente es una canción bien triste, es de repente muy depresiva, pero él no la mira así porque él no entiende la letra en español, pero ya después de que yo le expliqué, ya entonces él vio un poquito de lo que le estaba explicando en la canción, en lo que escuchó. From 1 to 10,
I would give this one.
don't be shy, you give whatever you think it is.
I would give this one a 7, and then when it goes to instrumental, I would give it an 8.
Ok, dice que le da a la canción un 7, con la instrumentación le da un 8. Hay una cosa que deben de saber, es que él es un hombre bien jovencito, así es que esto es música, inclusive la música progresiva, él no la escucha mucho, pero es música muy nueva para él, así es que es una cosa de acostumbrarse al oído. Ready to go?
Yeah, ready to go.
Well, we're gonna go, let's say goodbye and then nos vemos en otro video.
I don't know what you said, but adios.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next video, okay?
Adiós.
Con Quinton por acá. No se vaya, no se quede muy largo, que ya regresamos.